This is my Liatris ligulistylis. There is a little bit of a aphid there, and I think I got it off, but since I moved them outdoors, there's been a lot less problems with aphids, and the wet-dry problems I was having and issues with the fan have shrugged off. Additionally, there's been more that have sprouted. So this one sprouted, that one sprouted. So I have this one that's coming along. I've transplanted one already elsewhere, and you can see the nice long blade that's coming up in the center. So doing them outside has been a definite advantage. Originally I thought I was going to get 5. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and plus the one I transplanted, 8. So my results have actually done better from having some troubles and kicking it outside due to some of the aphids. A welcome problem.